me miss like 4 shots.
Alright, I'm watching.
Like, I think it was this one. Holy shit. It's lagging.
You gotta use movies and TV, not this one. I'm ready. Master reload.
Yeah, you're not. It doesn't look like you're cheating.
Shotgun.
Good at shooting.
Now they all hit. I just threw both.
To be fair, you did hit a lot of your shots, but you didn't hit all of them.
Of course.
Bro, it's always something.
Dude, if I wanted to kill you
Holy
right
shit,
away,
dude,
you
my
would have
mic
already
sounds so
died.
bad.
Yeah, I know. I'm like, oh, that's where you were like, I was like, pause, hold on, my shit.
How'd that not land?
I swear to God, you're fucking hacking. Bro, are you ducking while you're dodging? You're how do you do a roll? What the fuck is that?
Oh, you're shooting air! Fucking hell, dude!
Come on, open it up.
Fucking full pelleting his Achilles heel, bro.
How is that shit not landing? I'm right in your face with the fucking shotgun.
Mine's the same.
Sinfully's definitely. Bro, are you like ducking while you're? Are you like crouching and back or?
I'm
Fucking.
talking about me in this clip or
No, Grizzly. I'm talking about Grizzly. Looks like he keeps like right there. Like,
Yep.
Oh.
What? What? Okay, there. That was crazy.
That was
Fucking
180
lived that long.
PvP,
Holy
yeah,
shit.
a little bit.
Yeah, that was a good PvP, honestly.
Okay.
Give you